Hello, Vintage Outboard Motor Fan. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana. Making another video today. Today's video is a barrel test run. Number 106, 1957, 18 horsepower. Johnson, SPL 11. This is for Bruce. I got a rubber here. See how she runs with the cover off. As you can tell, she's a beauty. Once again, Restore 106, an 1957, 18 horsepower Johnson. Passed the barrel test. Now we're going to bring her into Bayou tomorrow for a Bayou test run, see how Bruce's motor does on the Bayou. Hope you all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bons temps rouler.